Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Miftakhul Firdaus Pratiwi. Here I will present a presentation about chemical hazard or safety laboratory. Many chemicals used in the lab are potentially hazardous, especially under high temperatures, heat, pressure, or when they are mixed with other chemicals. There are two main tools used to identify the chemical hazard: safety data sheets and chemical labels. Every chemical in the lab is required to have a technical document called safety data. These were formerly known as material safety data sheets. The safety data sheet is a one-stop shop to find out about a chemical's properties, hazard, and safety precaution. Key HAS is an acronym for the globally harmonized system of classification and labeling of chemicals. This new system provides an international standard format for system data sheets. All SDS must now be organized into 16 sections. Section 1, Identification. Here you'll find the chemical's name, description, and the manufacturer's contact. 2. Hazard identification. This section lists signal, words, warnings, and safety symbol. 3. Composition, a list of ingredients. 4. First aid measures. What's the required treatment for a person who's been exposed? 5. Firefighting measures. 6. Accidental release. These are instructions for containment and cleanup of spills or leaks. 7. Handling and strong requirement. 8. Exposure controls and personal protection. This describes OSHA's exposure limits and recommendations for PPA. 9. Physical and chemical properties such as appearance, odor, pH, flash point, solubility, and evaporation rate. 10. Stability and reactivity. How to avoid hazardous reaction. And 11. Toxicological information. Find out about the likely routes of exposure, symptoms, as well as short and long-term effects. Section aren't mandatory, but you should at least be familiar with them. Next, ecological, disposal, transport, and regulatory consideration. Section 16 is for any other pertinent information. This is where you'll find that the SDS was prepared along with the last known revision. Safety data sheets provide a lot of information about how to use chemicals safely in the lab. But there's also another way to learn about a chemical, and that's by reading its label. The new KIS format requires each chemical in the lab to be labeled with the product name, a signal word such as danger or caution, physical health and environmental hazard statement. Precautionary statement. Pictograms, first aid instruction, and the supplier's contact information. Pictograms consist of a symbol on a white background, framed in a red border. Each pictogram represents a specific hazard: healthy, flammability, toxicity, compressed gases, skin and eye protection, a stable explosive, oxidizers. An oxidizer is a chemical that initiates combustion through the release of oxygen. Environmental hazard and acute toxicity. Thank you for watching this video. I apologize profusely if there are errors in reading or pronunciation. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.